So Trello has a lot of features to manage out the tasks, but you can even make it more powerful by using power-ups by adding in more functionality. So to add in power-ups, you simply go on to show menu, and over here you can see power-ups is there. In my Trello board, there's 3D viewer already attached. So now one of the limitations of the free account is that you can only add up one power up, but if you want to add in more than one power up, you need to get one of the premium subscriptions. So I'm just going to go around and delete out this power up, that is disable the power up, so that I can add in another power up. So let me just go to power up right here, and let's see what power ups we have. So over here on the left side, you can see that there's different options for power ups, and you can go over here and see different power ups right over here as well. So let's say, for example, there's Blue Cat Report power up right here. So let's go on to something like file management. And let's say you want to integrate Dropbox directly onto your card. You can simply press add, and you can see that there's an option to add the power up. So once you add in, you can see that you get the details of the power ups on how to use it and what to do, just like this. So you can access this from the power ups menu inside of each of the card, and then use Dropbox. So let me just close this. The power up has been added here. Now let's see how we can access it. So you can simply go over here, and then you can see Dropbox. So if I were to click on this, you can paste the Dropbox link here and choose a file and folder from Dropbox right here, and it'll open up onto your Dropbox account directly, as you can see. So this is what direct power up means. So it's integrating different applications onto your Trello board. So let me just go on to show menu and close this out. So I'm just going to disable this out, and let's see if we can add in other power ups. So let's say I want to add in something like a calendar. So I'm going to type in calendar, add the calendar, and the power up has been added in, just like this. So you can go around here. The calendar has been added. So I'm just going to close around, and then here's the calendar, just like this. So the calendar feature is here, as you can see, and I can work around with it. So this power up is in the menu, as you can see. So depending on the type of the power up, it will be located in different sections of Trello board. So you do have to look at the description if you want to use it out quite properly, just like that. So just like this, you don't have any power ups right here, but you have the power up just like this. So once you go over here onto the calendar, disable it, you can see that that disappears. And that's how you can use different power-ups inside of your Trello board. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.